Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and set up shipping rates for your store in Shopify. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Shopify website if you have not already. So if you do not already have it open up, just go to shopify.com right here, and once you open it up in the main page, log into your account. In the upper right corner, you're going to have the option to log in or sign up for an account if you do not already have one. And once you're logged in, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by. From here we can get started with setting up our store, and in the left side of the screen we can find all the sections we can use for managing our store. So what we're going to do is open up the settings option right here at the left side of the screen. Go ahead and click on settings. That's going to go ahead and open up this new menu where we can find all the settings for our store, and here at the left side of the screen you can find shipping and delivery. In shipping and delivery you can get started with setting up your shipping rates, as you can see right here, for all products, and rates for domestic and international shipping. All of that is doable right here. You can select what kind of deliveries you want to use. You can go ahead and create your own custom shipping labels and so on. So just click right here and it's going to go ahead and enable you how to go ahead and set up custom shipping. The price is going to go ahead and be able to be edited right here. You're going to have your shipping zones that you can go ahead and edit, add, and so on. So once you're satisfied and have added everything right here, just go ahead and exit out using the X button. It's going to go back, automatically save it, and now it's going to be applied to your store. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching today's one. I hope I'll see you next one, and bye.